Hi everyone! First off, I want to say thank you for everyone's love and support here on my page. It means a lot to me. I'm so glad that y'all leave comments and everything underneath the journals and things. I love to read those and see those. I've had several people ask me if I would start doing videos. Honestly, I get into the creative, I guess, zone and I completely don't even think to record it. So I have started a project already, but I thought that I would show you what kits I'm using and how I built the actual little flip journal here, and then you can watch me decorate it. And I'll show you which embellishments and stuff I'm using for that. So let's see. Bear with me because I'm not the best at the videos. So let's see if I can figure this out. This here is my Etsy shop, World of Muchness. If you haven't stopped by, please do. But today I am using a kit from My Porch Prints. I use a lot of her kits. I absolutely love her shop. If you haven't seen it, stop by. She has some really cute things. The main kit that I am using is the Shabby Typewriter kit. It's a pocket journal kit. And then I have all of these other little pieces here for ephemera and fussy cuts and stuff for some other kits. So the main ones of those, the letter writing journal kit, I'm just using the ephemera from this one. Then she has the Junk Journal Lover Fussy Cuts, and I just used my Cricut machine, which I absolutely love, and cut out some little pieces from that kit. And then her Pink Neutral Floral Fussy Cuts. And by the way, my Cricut machine is a Cricut Joy. It's one of the small ones, but it cuts everything really well. I really like it. So there's that. I think, oh yeah, I have a picture of it. So my Cricut Joy Extra is what I use. So what I did was, this is the base of the journal. It comes with the kit. So you got a cover and a back. And what I did was I took the cover piece and I put brown craft paper in between it and just a backing piece just to make it sturdier. And then I put a pocket on. So it gives it a couple more layers. And I did the same to the back. So it's got a little pocket here. And then I've already started embellishing a little bit, and then I thought I would do a video, so you can just watch me embellish the rest if you'd like. You can speed up the video however you want to do it. I'm just going to turn on a little bit of music here and just start creating stuff. I pretty much wing everything. I do not have like a set plan for anything, so I don't really have a certain way to tell you to do it. So you can just watch and follow along. Let's see, find some music. There we go. Of course, I can't find any of my little stickies that I wanted to use. So, you know, bear with me 2 seconds while I look for those. Sorry guys, I thought they were laying right here. Well, you know, you never can find anything that you're looking for when you try to find it. So, let's see if I can find another pack. Here we go. I love these little dots. I use them for everything to make things stick out and give it more of a dimension. So, I'll be using those. Well, I say I'll be using them. some glue on here. might be too big, so what I might do is save these for something else. Let's see, this might work. This is the backing that I used to put on the front and backs, and I just had some extras, so I'm just gonna use it to make like a little booklet. I usually don't like to leave a lot of empty space, so I was trying to find something I could put there. I think I've used all of my pieces though, so let me see what else I have in my stash. See if I can't fill it up a little bit more. Let's see. I try to use every piece that I have so that I don't have anything that I have to like put away or throw away or anything like that. Let's see. Put this here. These are also need something else in these pockets. I have these left over. Let's give these a go. These are left over from some of the Valentine's projects that I've been working on recently. These would look cute in there, so I'm going to put a couple of these in there. I'm not sure which kit or shop I got these from. Sorry. If I find it, I will put it in the comments. There we go. That's what I mean by I just kind of do things randomly. I usually don't have like a set plan or anything specific that I do. I kind of wing it all. And yes, I didn't want to cut around all of that, so I kind of just cut it off, but you can't tell, so. I think that's pretty good for now. If I think of something else to put in it, which I do have a bad habit of doing, I will find some other things here and there that I might throw in it before I actually post it and list it in the shop. So that's another thing. Even though I finish a project, I will set it to the side for a little bit and then come back to it in case I find something else I want to do with it to make it, I guess, seem completed to me. So I'm just gonna tie these little ribbons on here real quick. And I don't even measure anything. I just, once again, my favorite word, I wing it. People are always asking me if I follow anything. I do like to watch some YouTube channels to get some ideas, but for the most part I just make it up as I go, so it's kind of hard for me sometimes to explain how I did it because I don't really think about it. I just do it. So, see how this turns out. And yes, I do tie weird, so my bows don't always come out straight. Sometimes I have to have my daughter fix them, but that works for now. So just a quick flip through of it. If you still have stuck around this long. So I just filled the little pockets and embellished the fronts of each of them a little bit and added some things here and there. And like I said, I may or may not go back through and add some more. I really like adding images of the little girl images that I use a lot to projects. If I find some that I really like to go in here, I might even go back and add those in there. So I should have this posted in the shop here soon, either tomorrow or the day after. So you'll just have to check and see if I added anything else to it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.